Hi, today we are going to break down the Q1 2026 earning of the Volvo Group and what it actually means for the investors. Is this still a stock that you want to own or the cycle has picked up? But before we look at the number, remember, Volvo Group is not about the cars. It's mainly focused on the heavy duty trucks, construction equipment, buses and industrial engines. So it's a kind of the cyclic business that are closely linked with the global economy. So let's simply break it down the earning numbers. In Volvo Group, their truck business is one of the main contributor to their revenue. And in this quarter, the Volvo Group has delivered 47,504 trucks compared to 48,833 trucks last year. The net revenue comes in around 110 billion kroner compared to 123 billion kroner last quarter and 121 billion kroner same quarter last year. So the net revenue is down about 10.5% quarter on quarter and 9% down on year basis. The net operating income, which is the profit after all operating expenses, comes in at around 10.7 billion kroner compared to 12.8 billion kroner last quarter and 13.3 billion kroner last year same quarter, which is about the 16% down from the last quarter and 19% down from the last year the same quarter. Now let's look at their net income or the profit for the period after deducting all the taxes and financial expenses. The net profit for the period is around 8.3 billion kroner compared to 9.6 billion the last quarter and 9.9 billion kroner last year same quarter. So the net profit is reduced to around 13.5% on the quarter on quarter basis and 17% down on the year basis. The earning per share is around 4.09 kroner in this quarter compared to 4.73 kroner last quarter and 4.86 kroner last year. So as a summary, overall result is slightly toward negative because the top line, bottom line and overall margin is down on both quarter on quarter and on year basis. Volvo is likely entering into the transition phase in a cycle. It is not a crash, not a boom, but it's look like shift from the exceptional pricing power to normalizing industrial conditions. And historically, market do not reward this transition phase with a higher valuation. Right now, Volvo Group is not a deep value stock anymore. It's just a high quality industrial company with a cyclic exposure. I would consider buying the Volvo Group if the orders start to accelerate again and the margin remain near the peak level. And right now, Volvo is still highly profitable, well managed and strong global market share. But the upside from now, it's very limited unless the cycle is re-accelerate again. So with this note, I would like to thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.